Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up administrator password on your HP Envy x360 laptop. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, just go to Security tab, then find Administrator Password, click on it. Now you need to enter the new password, so I'm gonna open the keyboard, then type in the password, then click on enter and retype it in, and click on enter, then enter, and now the administrator password is set. This password will be used in order to open BIOS, so whenever you want to open BIOS, then you'll need to just enter the administrator password. You can also set the power on password in the same way, and the power on password will be asked whenever you power on the device. So just to boot into system, you'll need to enter the power on password. Now I'm gonna show you how to delete the administrator password. So in order to do it, just click on the set. Now enter the current password, then click on enter. And now you can either enter new password and confirm it, or leave these two places blank, and it will remove the password. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.